Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Signet Public School, Junior College, Hadapsar. I am Vaishali Kushwaha, like to share some beautiful information about International Day of the Girl Child. Every year on October 11th, International Day of the Girl Child is celebrated to empower girls and amplify their voice. It acknowledges the importance and power and potential of adolescent girls by encouraging the opening up of more opportunities for them. It is an International Observance Day declared by United Nations on October 11 as International Day of the Girl Child. According to the UN, the mission of this day is to highlight and address the needs and challenge girls face while promoting girl empowerment and fulfillment of their human rights around the world. On October 11 of every year, groups around the world act to highlight and discuss and celebrate girls' lives and opportunity around the globe. After discussing gender issues, then people can take actions to change the status. By a survey on 2015, it sees that female will make up 64% of the world's illiterate population and only 30% of girls in the world are enrolled in secondary school. 1 in 7 girls in developing countries is married off before age 15. 1 in 5 high school girls has been physically or sexually abused by a dating partner. In the survey, UN state that 700 girls child go missing per day. That means loss of over 250,000 girl child go missing every year in India, and that figures is increasing day by day. There are some girl child issues which is faced by them today, that is education, child marriage, gender equalities, water and sanitation, inadequate nutrition. Education helps a child to respect herself and to be respected by others. Education drastically reduced child marriage, as well as it instills for a strong economy. 1 extra year of school boosts a girl's future wage by 20 to 30%. Education fosters critical thinking skills, which are instilled for effective leaders and democracy. More women are needed to solve global problems. Prevent child marriage will protect girl rights and help and reduce their risk of violence, earlier pregnancy, HIV infections, and maternal death and disabilities. 1 in 7 girls in developing countries will be married off before the age of 15. Girls under 15 who are pregnant are 5 times more likely to die in childbirth than women aged 20 to 24. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Yojana is a social campaign of the Government of India which was launched on 22 Jan 2015 by Prime Minister Modi, which aim is to generate awareness and improve the efficiency of welfare service intended for child. Educate a girl and she will change the world. At the end, I will like to say, save the girl child. Thank you.